See how it has that smoothness there? I want the whole thing to be like looking like an ice cream scoop. You smush this down like so, and then my table's all clean, so I press it down on my table. This is a little full. I press it down on my table, and then I hold it down and press this release, and then it does it. Then release it, and then you bring it up. So you hold it down to create that nice little scoop texture. Some bath scoops that I've been working on. These are milk bath scoops, and they're made with goat milk and kaolin clay, has glitter, has oat extract, and has cocoa batine, which is a bubbler. So these are nice and bubbly and foaming. And if you enjoyed this video, the next video to watch is, I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.